Okay, let's do the third part of the Apex testing, the third module, create test data for Apex test. So let's go ahead. Okay, in here we are not this one. Okay, create test data for Apex test. In here we are adding a test utility class. Okay, so if we have to create multiple data for our testing purposes, so that's what we are doing here. So in the test console, let's create the test data factory, and now let's go and create it. And go to the file, new Apex test, Apex class, and the name. Okay, and we are gonna copy paste this code. Okay, now this is done. Let's save this. Okay, so in this code, what we are doing is we are creating multiple accounts and multiple opportunities. We are testing this our account trigger for multiple records. Now that we have, okay, test account deletion, open, test account deletion, opening, copy. Okay, so let's modify this code and paste the updated code here. Save. So what we are doing is we are using the test data factory utility function that we created. We are using this function in this function to create multiple records. Okay, now we are gonna are gonna create multiple methods in here. First, we are gonna test accounts with one opportunity. Then we are testing accounts with no opportunities. Then we are gonna test it with uh, bulk accounts but with one opportunity. So let's copy this updated code and paste it here and save it. Then let's go to test, new run, test account deletion. Let's add selected, and then let's run this. Okay, as you can see, account deletion, we have 100% coverage, so we are testing everything here. So this is done. Let's go and let's do the same, but for, you can say, but for contact for the previous one. So let's go ahead. So what we are doing here, so we are gonna create an Apex class with a random contact factory. Okay, so we have to create a test factory, a utility function, but for contacts. So let's go right ahead. Let me copy this, and we can go on. So let's go new Apex class random contact factory. There we go. In here we are gonna create a utility function to create multiple records. Let's start with public static method, and let's create a list contact, and let's copy the name of the method, generate random contacts, integer number of contacts, Let me remove it from here. There we go. And let's get the string name. There we go. Then we are gonna create bracket. Let's go to the new line. String L name. I think this is the best one. Let's get the last name. Then we are gonna create an empty list here. Contact con equal to new list contact. Okay, this is the empty list. Now we're gonna create a for loop here. Why there are problems? Render expected token. Okay, let's we will see the errors later. Let's do the for loop. Integer I is equal to 0. Okay, then I is less than number of contacts. Okay, no, not this one. We're gonna use this function. Then I plus plus. I think this is fairly easy. Now we're gonna create the last name. Test, and then we're gonna plus I. There we go, and then we're gonna create a contact based on this last name. New contact. First name is gonna be L name. Last name is also gonna be same. We are not changing anything. There we go. And then we're gonna add this into our list. There we go. Then we're gonna return this list and save. What is the problem? Okay, there we go. Save. Okay, report is saved. Let's verify. Congratulations, we have completed the Apex testing. And kindly like, comment and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video.